Hey collectors, here is a look at Faker from the Masters of the Universe cartoon collection line, and I would like to thank Vincent for getting me this figure. And here is what the back of the card looks like. There is a second head for Faker with a normal eyes, plus the other figures in this wave, which is Leech and Katra. Out of the card, Faker comes with a mini comic book titled Onslaught to Snake Mountain, and this is what the figure looks like on his clamshell. Faker comes with the power sword and an extra head sculpt, which we will use later on this video. The figure is held securely onto the plastic tray by plastic straps wrapped around the wrist and the ankle. So I suggest cutting them from the back to avoid damaging the figure. And here is Faker out of the clamshell. He stands around 6 inches tall, and like all other figures in this line, he has basic articulation. And of course, we will have the comparison with the original release He-Man from this line. Here is a comparison shot of the card of He-Man and of Faker, because some people say this is just a reissue of the same figure, but it's not. Here is a comparison of Faker and He-Man. Starting off with the hair color, Faker's version is much closer and darker than the first issue of He-Man. Then the head sits much higher than the first issue. Going down to the chest armor, the new paint on the Faker's version is much shinier than the one with the first issue of He-Man. The skin tone also, Faker has a lighter one than the first version. The difference also in the arm braces, and the belt is much evident. Faker's version is much darker. Going down, the boots of Faker does not have the straps, unlike the first version. And this version of Faker's boots is much closer to what the Filmation version looks like in the cartoon series. And here is what the back sides of each figures looks like. Again, the distance of the head of the new figure is much longer than the first version of He-Man. And the most glaring difference this time are how the locks of the chest armors are made. For Faker, the lock is already at the center, and the slit where you can place the scabbard is now horizontal, comparing it to the first version of He-Man, wherein the slit is diagonal, plus the locks are at the side of the figure, reminiscent of how the vintage figures are made. Aside from the figure and the chest armor difference between both figures, the power sword and their sheaths are also different. For the sword, it's not as metallic as the first version, and the sheath has a shape. Comparing it to the first released by Mattel, the power sword is metallic, but the sword sheath is just plain old holster type. To swap the heads, all you have to do is slowly pull off the version which has the glowing eyes from the neck peg and put on the angry expression head sculpt for He-Man. And now you have this pissed off version of He-Man to square off with the original release. If you missed out on the first release of He-Man and can't find a good deal online on online shops, then probably you could settle on this version of Faker. He has a more accurate look for the Filmation version, but the only downside is that He-Man is always pissed off with this head sculpt for Faker. Once you find the center of balance for this figure, you can put him in some simple action poses, but again, I don't suggest you leaving your display without any action figure stand because a little nudge and this figure would surely fall down. If you want an angry-faced expression He-Man on your collection, then this version from Faker is the one for you. And for size comparison, here he is with Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime by Jazzwares and Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight Trilogy Batman figure by Modo King. With Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit and Steve Rogers Captain America from Endgame Marvel Legends by Hasbro. With Lockdown from Batman, the animated series released by McFarlane Toys and Megatron from the Transformers G1 version from YOLO Park Minis. With Skeletor and He-Man from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with Prince Adam and He-Man first version, both figures from the Cartoon Collection line by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.